да обясня защо. Защото записахме един албум на английски. Благодаря много. Съвсем скоро предстои да излезе. Ето една песен от него, която се казва Help Me. Искаме да посветим на всички приятели, на приятелството, на всички нови приятели, които срещнахме днес. Защото приятелите са тези, които ни помагат в трудни моменти. Те ни познават по-добре дори от самите нас. Благодарим ви, че ни помагате да творим наша музика. Още една песен ще ви изпълним наша. Казва се Lost Trust. И очаквайте скоро албума ни. Сега се подгответе малко да поскачаме пак. Още малко ще поскачаме. Готови ли сте? Big in Japan, някой бил ли ето Japan? to the side. Quest a bit of snowflakes all around my head. I didn't do it. I had no illusion that I ever found the glimpse of summer heat waves in your eyes. Gotcha. You didn't want to torture me. Now it's history. I see it's becoming older born again. Things will happen one day. I've been waiting for my man tonight. It's easy when you're being the plan. You're being chocolate. You're being chocolate. You're being chocolate. It's like you're being chocolate. And I sleep outside. You're cool tonight. You're being chocolate. It's easy of me. Neon on my naked skin. That's your silhouette so strangely emanated my naked. Should I stay here at the zoo? Should I go change my point of view for other abuses? Gotcha! Who do you want to tell me? Now it's history. I see. Things will happen one day. I will waiting for my man tonight. It's easy when you're being your plan. You're being your plan. You're being your plan. You're being your plan. You're being to plan and I sleep outside. You're cool tonight. You're being to plan. It's easy of me. It's easy of me. You're being to plan and I sleep outside. You're cool tonight. You're being to plan. It's easy of me. You're being jump, jump, jump. You're being jump, jump, jump. You're being jump, jump. It's easy of me. You're being to plan and I sleep outside. You're cool tonight. You're being to plan. It's easy of me. Благодаря ви много, едно последно много яко парче. Една мисията невъзможна, но ние знаем, че всичко е възможно тук в Шумен, нали така? But everything happened for a reason. I don't even know what I should say. Cause I'm an idiot, a loser, fuck up an abuser. I analyze every second I'm a wrist. Beating up my mind every second with my fist. And everybody wanna run, everybody wanna hide from the gun. You can take this life for this life if you want, but you can't take the age of the 9, no sir. And now you want your money back, but you deny. Cause your brain fried from the sack. And there is nothing I can do. Cause life is the last and a little way too. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. Cause love is all I wanna see lately. I know why you wanna hate me. Schumann. I know why you wanna hate me. Cause love is all I wanna see lately. Ще направим една песен, тъй като имаме ограничение във времето, знаете, имаме вечерен час. Но песента е яка, искам да избухнете максимално, както ние си знаем, нали така?
Rage Against the Machine, oder? Именно.
Just like before, everything that's said of me. I'm about to pray, I'm here in the room to pray. I will not be so clear. I wish I could find a way to disappear. All that something make no sense. I found bliss and ignorance. This is to go away over and over again, just like me.